guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah, for those of you who do not know. I am a professional cosmetologist based out of the Nashville, Tennessee area. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so excited that y'all are here. I don't know about y'all, but this quarantine has me bored out of my mind. Obviously, I can't work right now, and I've already binge watched all of Tiger King. And so I thought, why not do some tutorials for all of my clients? I got great response when I asked online, so I thought I would do it for all of y'all. So here we are going to learn how to do these super cute and easy bubble braid tutorials. Again, super easy, super cute. I always get so many compliments when I wear my hair out like this, and it just is so quick and easy and simple. So the products you will need is you're going to need these little black elastics. You can get these at Walmart or Walgreens. They're about $1 a piece. It is important to get the black ones though. Even though the clear ones and the colorful ones look fun and the clear make more sense, they do not hold. They will break. Trust me, I know. The black ones are the best. You're going to need clips of some sort because since we're doing a double braid, you'll need to clip off one side. You'll need a brush, a comb to split your hair down the middle, and then you will need dry shampoo and finishing spray. So I washed my hair last night and I just put a little bit of the Olaplex number 6 leave-in and the Olaplex number 7 oil in there, and I let it air dry. So to prep your hair for this look, you're going to take your dry shampoo. I'm using the Amika Perk Up dry shampoo, and you're just going to apply it for a little bit of texture all throughout your hair. Then you're just going to work that throughout your hair like so. Our next step is going to be taking our clip and our comb, and we're going to part our hair down the middle. Now if you don't want to do a double braid, you do not have to, so you would just eliminate this step. And you just go straight down all the way back. Now also keep in mind, you are doing this on yourself and this is not going to be perfect. So just throw the idea of perfection out the window right now. Then you're going to clip off one side of your hair. So our next step, we're going to start on this side with the bubble braids. You're going to take a triangular shaped section like so. At the front of your hair, you're going to clip off the rest of it just because sometimes it can get in the way. And you're going to take one of those elastics and you're just going to make a ponytail right out of that. Our next step, you're going to clip this off to the side and you're going to create another ponytail at the same angle. But this time, before you put the elastic in, you're going to clip off the rest of the hair, the previous ponytail to that, and tie it off. After you do that, you're going to take this part of the previous ponytail and just fluff it, and that creates your bubble. Clip this off to the side, create another clip the hair off, and you just follow this all the way down the head. So once you finish one side, you're gonna move on to the second side. With the second side, what I recommend doing is looking down and trying to part your hair as closely as possible to the other side. That will keep it as uniform as possible and looking good. All right, once you finish with both sides, you're then gonna go through and fluff where you feel that it needs a little extra loving. And then you're going to take your finishing spray. This is the Joico Power Spray. It's one of my favorites to use at home and in the salon. And you're just going to finish it out like that. Well, there you have it, guys, this super easy bubble braid tutorial. Like I said, simple and quick. Let me know if y'all have any recommendations of things that you want to see in the future. The next one that I have in mind is a faux braid tutorial. It's also super simple and very, very cute. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope to see y'all again soon. Bye, guys.